Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So with Solana we also have the situation that is following currently the primary expectation. It has been dropping down here. We talked about this descending triangle in the last few videos. We had a failure, a lack of impulsive price action to the upside, and we identified this descending triangle, which is generally a bearish pattern, and in the current situation is acting as a trend continuation pattern after we dropped down massively from around $39 and we're now at just below 12. So this is obviously significantly affected. In one of the previous videos we talked about all it really needs to do to complete this wave 5 would be a drop below wave 3, which was here just below $12.20. But based on Fibonacci extensions, I gave you a key target here, and also based on this sort of triangle pattern. Yeah, I mean, we looked at the height of the triangle, which is a bit of a crude way of measuring a target, and always take these with a pinch of salt. But in addition to that, we had the Fibonacci extensions as well. So that takes us into the price region between $6.40 or $6.50, $6.40 to $7.70. So this is sort of the range where I would broadly expect the price to get into. At least at the moment we do not have a sign that it has bottomed. Surely this could maybe even morph into something like a descending wedge, but also here I don't have any evidence, but it could become one, of course. It's not that we have broken that substantially below the triangle that I would say it's definitely broken, but we've certainly made a new low. So for now we are focusing on lower. And as we explained, or as I explained in the last video, this was possibly the wave E high. Then we had a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up. This could be the wave 3 down. We're currently in a wave 4 to the upside, and there should be one more wave down, wave 5. It could also be that wave 3 isn't finished yet. This is really hard to say on those lower level wave counts, but we can calculate a target here for the third wave. I'm sure I talked about that in the last video, and I mean, I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure I talked about it in the last video. I haven't checked it, but it was surely the 1.618 fib extension I gave you as a target for the third wave. So here around 1150 we've reached that. So no surprise that we are seeing a wave 4 retracement at the moment. That should be weak, and that should stay below the 1256 level, so below the wave 1 low, because if it goes higher than that it would be something different. We would then cut into the price region of wave 1, and the wave 4 normally doesn't do that. We would then need to look at what else could it be, but for now the focus is here further on the downside, with a wave 5 probably still to come. I can give you a broad target now for the wave 5 as well. It's not in, it won't be exact because I don't know how high wave 4 will go, but if we just take the textbook target, that wave 5 would take us to around $10. Now that doesn't necessarily mean that the entire downtrend needs to be over, but this is certainly the next major opportunity where it can bottom around $10. We have a lower target here, but be aware we don't necessarily need to reach it. But as long as the downtrend is in play, we are gonna go down further, of course. So as long as we don't make suddenly higher highs and higher lows, we're gonna follow the trend down. The momentum is clearly down at the moment. The trend is still down at the moment. It's following currently the bearish Elliott wave pattern here, the primary expectation to the downside. But it is all about, these waves can also extend. So at the moment, yes, wave 3 might be finished, but it's not a given that wave 3 is finished. And also wave 5 might just become an extended one. So we need to be here mindful that just because we hit the $10 level doesn't mean the downtrend is over. It could be we get just 3 waves up afterwards and another wave 5 down, or 5 wave structure down into this area. So I'll definitely keep you updated here. Definitely no sign of bottoming. It's currently following the main scenario. I think we're still going to see lower prices, especially with Bitcoin and Ethereum losing key support. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update about Solana. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.